Hey guys, we're in my new apartment. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys on a full apartment tour. This is gonna be an empty apartment tour. I just got my brand new keys and I'm really sad to leave my last place, but I'm excited for this place. I'm gonna take you guys around the apartment and I'm gonna show you what I plan to do for each space. If you're new to the channel, my name is Juju and we do home decor videos where I just show you my lifestyle or I give you home design tips. I do makeovers, all kinds of fun stuff. So make sure you hit that subscribe button below and let's take a look at the new apartment. So you immediately walk in and right to your left, there is a coat closet. So that's pretty cool. Here's the entryway. And then right to your right is the office area. So here's the office. So here's the plan for the office. I think I want to make that space right over there like a vanity and my filming area. So either I'm going to film right here in front of the window, which could be a good idea because it's going to bring in a lot of light. But I live in Michigan where it gets cold and there is a big tree in front of me, so I might not always have the amount of sunlight that I have now. So another option is to put like a vanity light set up there, and so this could be like my makeup room slash filming room slash office space slash library slash guest room. So yeah, that is what this room has to function as. I want my friends and family to be able to spend the night, but I also want to not have to like break down my film setup every single time. I would like to just step in the room and film if it's not a vlog. Like if it's like a talking video, I just want to be able to step in and talk to you guys and not have to set up my lights, set up my microphone. Like I just want to sit and talk to you guys. So it would be really nice to have an office where I could just go sit and film. I work from home quite a bit, at least half of the week I'm working from home. So I want a space where I could work that's not my living room or my bedroom or my dining room. I also love to read, so I thought maybe this could be like a nice little library. I'm not quite sure how I want to do it yet, but I think my priorities are office slash filming studio and guest space. So I want to see how I can put that together. I'm gonna continue to show you guys some inspo photos of what I want to do, but this is probably the room where I really don't know what exactly I want to do. So go ahead and drop in the comments if you have some tips on how I can design this space. Okay, let's go to the next room. So you leave this room, which is right off of the entry, and then you enter into the living room. Here's the living room. And so for the living room, I'm thinking of putting my sofa here and TV there, maybe some art there, or TV there, art there, but I'm thinking I want it over here. Or I could totally flip it and put the couch over here and then make that the TV wall so that I could like see people coming in. I think that's better feng shui. And then out here is the balcony. It's super peaceful out here. I'm really gonna enjoy this summer. I saw some patio furniture for sale at the at-home store, so I think I'm gonna make that one of my first purchases so I can really utilize this space for the summertime. So for the living room, I was thinking of going more neutral. Right now, my current space is very funky. It's got pops of blue, pops of pink. But right now, I think I want to lean more into neutral for this space. So I'm going to be just changing up a few core items. I want to get curtains just to ground this room. And then I want to get a more neutral rug, maybe like something like this, or something like this to tie in the furniture that I already have. I'm also looking to get a frame TV for this room, possibly. They are really expensive. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I did consider putting my wall unit right here. It could go here, but I wonder what it would look like in the dining area right over here. So there's just enough space for my wall unit to go along that wall, and then do like a little circular dining table here and chairs. I don't know though. I don't know if that's gonna look too crowded or not. I guess I'm just gonna have to see when the movers move everything in, what looks good and what doesn't. I also might switch out this fixture for something more modern because there is central AC. I don't need a fan, and if I want it to be more styled, then I'll switch that out. Oh, and then that is a real fireplace, you guys, a wood burning fireplace. And like I said, I live in Michigan, so I cannot wait to burn this in the winter time. Now over here is the dining area, like I mentioned. I'm gonna change that out, get a nice round table here. Right to the left of the dining room is the kitchen area. So here's the kitchen. It is pretty nice, pretty standard kitchen. I don't mind the countertop color. I think it goes okay with the cabinets. But there's a dishwasher. I don't know what the heck these are. If anyone knows what that is, let me know. Yeah, microwave, stainless steel refrigerator. I think there's even, oh, no ice maker, so I'll have to make sure I get ice, but. And then right in here is the laundry room. So it's a pretty big laundry room. There's enough for storage. I could do like ironing board in here. Let me turn the light on. Here's the laundry room. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the bedroom area. So right off of the living room is my bedroom. This is the bedroom. So I think the bedroom has the best lighting so far. Really cute. Bedroom doesn't have an overhead light though, that's the only thing. So I'm gonna have to get extra lamps for this room, but I love how big the room is. I think it's like 12 by 13 or something like that, so it's pretty big. I'm going to put my bed here. I think eventually I'm going to get a king bed. We'll see, but that's like down the road. That's like 6 or 7 months from now, when I finally do like a full room makeover. This will probably be one of the last makeovers that I do, like normal. I know in my last place, that was one of the last things I did as well. I think in general, people just tend to do their bedrooms last. They like to get the spaces where guests will be first, and then they go into the bedroom. So I'm gonna do my bedroom probably in about 6 months, so make sure you put your notifications on so you don't miss. I got my new dresser. I don't know if you guys saw, but that's gonna go right here on this wall. I'll have to get some curtains for this room as well. I need to do some measuring so I can get the right size curtains, but I'm gonna probably be getting curtains from 2 pages. And yeah, I'll show you guys some bedroom inspo here. But that's the vibe that I'm going for. So that's pretty much it. There's a bathroom and a walk-in closet, but that's not so interesting. So that is the full apartment tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I can't wait to do another decorating journey with you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye.